I'm Dr. Sarah Brown. I'm the Director of the Early Phase Clinical Trials portfolio here in the Clinical Trials Research Unit at the University of Leeds. I'm a statistician by training. I've got over 18 years experience in the design and development of clinical trials in cancer. So I'm one of the leads for the CARP programme. I'm responsible for all of the early phase trials that are run through CARP. CARP stands for the Concept and Access Research Programme. It was designed to support the development of new treatments for patients with myeloma to speed up the development process. CARP is a collaboration between Myeloma UK, the UK MRA and the Clinical Trials Research Unit here at Leeds. So the UK MRA is the Myeloma Research Alliance, and it's a network of leading researchers in myeloma, so research and clinicians who are experts in treating patients with myeloma. It's really important that we include our statisticians in the development of clinical trials research right from the new trial idea, so that we can make sure that we are able to answer the question reliably. So a statistician will work with the clinician to understand what the research question is, to understand how we are best able to measure the effect of a new treatment or the safety of a new treatment. We want to understand how we can best answer that question, and to do that we need to work out how do we measure the benefit of a treatment to patients. How many patients do we need to put into a clinical trial? What's the most efficient way of developing that trial so we can generate reliable information as quickly as possible? Working with Myeloma UK means that we can incorporate the patient voice in developing those clinical trials. They have a patient and carer research panel which we utilise to make sure that patients are involved in the design of the clinical trials right from the outset, so they can evaluate whether there are too many assessments in a clinical trial. They can evaluate whether this is a trial that they're interested in taking part in. PROMISE was the first trial developed through CARP. The idea for PROMISE came from the UK MRA clinicians, and through CARP we were able to work as statisticians and trial managers to work with the clinicians and with the pharmaceutical companies to develop that initial idea into the innovative platform trial that is PROMISE. We're always developing new trial ideas within CARP. The infrastructure funding ensures that we're able to work continuously with clinicians within the UK MRA to work on those trial ideas. Our hope over the next 2 years is that we will launch another 2 clinical trials within the CARP programme. The investment from Myeloma UK in CARP means that we have an active and ambitious programme of clinical trials available to patients, which means that trials are available to patients when they need them.